Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to use like a virtual background for your cameras in Zoom meetings. So first, open your Zoom desktop client or desktop application and sign into your Zoom account from it. If you don't already have an account, you can just sign up with your Google account or other accounts like Facebook or some associated accounts or linked ones with the Zoom. And otherwise, you can sign up only with your email and add your personal informations manually, like your username, password, etc. etc. After you open your account, you will find yourself in the home tab here or the home page. So if you join or create a meeting, you will find other options here. So you will find too many options or actions that you can do in the meeting. Basically, we want to add things, as you can see. Basically, we want uh, to add parameters or settings, or we want to add the background to our camera. So either you can just right click on your window here and you can just choose a video filter. So maybe it will have some effects or background effects here, or you can just choose an avatar that will show up in your camera like here, or we can just choose a virtual background. So basically, let's just do like this. And I'm going to start the video camera. And as you can see, we will have here our uh, virtual background that will be affected or applied here. Uh, Other thing that you can do is to add avatar. So whenever you are going here, if you are moving, it will start moving with it. So you can add many settings or do many actions to your camera so you can uh, hide your the flaws of your camera. Basically, this is how you can add a virtual background. Thank you for watching and goodbye.